Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Beacons.ai, which is a link in bio 2 that you can use to generate landing pages like this one. And then you can use this link here to direct people from your Instagram or Facebook page, for example, and bring them here. And then you can sell them products, have them fill forms, get their email, and so on. So I'm going to walk you through the creation of a simple landing page. So make sure you use the link in the description box below to get started with a free account. The first thing you want to do is to pick a username, and it's going to check whether or not it's available. If it is, just click next. Now you can either fill this form and validate your email or use one of these accounts here. So I'm going to use my Google account. Once you're signed up, you can enter your social network accounts here. You need at least one account, but you can always add more later. So I'm going to add one of my accounts here. Depending on what platform you pick here, Beacons.ai will ask you different questions to help you build your profile, and they're going to try to import information from the accounts you mention here. Now I can upload a photo and click next. Here you can type my bios. I'm going to use this button to make something up. We can finally tweak the style a little bit. There's quite a few themes that you can pick from up here. And layouts as well. I'm going to go with this one for now, and I'm going to click next. I'm going to skip this. If you own an internet domain, you can add it to your page. So you have a customized link to share. And here Beacons.ai will try to sell me on a domain. I'm going to skip this and this too. Now I can activate my store. I'm going to activate it and hit next. So that's finally it. We have our dashboard, and I'm going to select the link in bio here. And here you can see my actual link that I can share, and down here they have this nice little block interface that you can either delete or add blocks. So if I wanted to generate leads from this page, I could add this one block here. It would appear so. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paste this link here so I can take a look at what it looks like for now. So that's what it looks like. So let's go back to the actual dashboard. I can also change the order of these blocks, and if I click them, I can customize even further. So let's take a look at each of these. Here's the header, which we can customize the layout again, upload pictures, and so on. We can change the size, the name, and bio. Down here I can add my social accounts. And they will show up here. And there's a ton of options to adjust. The font, the overall style. You can add a pop-up to promote a product or simply to get the user's email. I'm going to add this one. In the store block, you can sell products and services and so on. So depending on what you want to do, there's a ton of options to explore here. Once you're done, just make sure you click this button and you will be brought to the main page here. So we are greeted by the pop-up right the way I had configured it. And we have links to my mail subscription. So if someone subscribes here, let me put my info here. Then you could come here to the email block and click responses, and finally audience manager, and you can get the information right here, the information that was in that form. So that's how you create a Beacons.ai landing page. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.